Hi, it's Erin here from Birds Renovations, and I'm going to have a chat to you today about the LG TVs we've used in our latest project, where we've put them and a bit about why. This space is the main living room, and we've gone with this 65-inch OLED LG TV. We've chosen to recess the TV into the wall in this space for a couple of reasons. We wanted to get a beautiful seamless finish when you're looking at it from the side, and we also wanted to create the box around. This TV has Dolby Atmos, which provides amazing sound quality. It also has Dolby Vision, which provides an immersive viewing and audio experience. So up here in the media room, we decided to put the TV up on the wall. It's fixed with a really sturdy bracket, and it was a really important styling choice because we wanted to put a beautiful rattan unit down here which matches the rest of the styling in the space. We've gone with the Nanocell TV in a 75-inch in this room. Now, the main reason we went a little bit larger is because the room has a lot of depth. Nanocell delivers incredible picture quality with enhanced colour purity, which gives you spectacular images on a large scale. The LG Nanocell has a thin border, which is designed to blend into your home interior and deliver an immersive viewing experience without distraction. And just like the lounge room, this TV also has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. In the pool house, we decided to convert the second bedroom into a multi-purpose living room. So we've put in a 65-inch LG OLED TV, just like we did in the living room. I really love the sleek design of the LG TVs we've installed in this home. They have a wide range of TVs to choose from, so why don't you check them out today.